Alright, well, the Zippo truck just stopped by a few minutes ago. Let's see what this guy brought today. Of course, it arrived in the normal Zippo black box, made in Bradford, PA, and no label on this one, or no description on it, but it is the Zippo with flame. And it does have the Zippo logo right down in the right. I do like the Zippo logo. There's the flame zipper, the Zippo zipper flame. And it is a brass one. And it was made in, looks like H of 2 years ago. I think that's August. And there's the Bradford, PA, made in USA. Stamping. See how this one lights up. Got a pretty good sound. It's got a steel insert. Lights up like a nice Zippo should. That is the flame and zipper. Now, they don't make too many Zippos, but I do have one other one. I think they make 3 or 4 of them, but these are the only ones I have. That's the other one I have. It's going to go into my collection next to that one somewhere. But I do have lots of logo Zippos. And those are 2 of my nicer ones. So that is the newest Zippo acquisition. And does it deserve cowbell? You better believe it. Knuckle bump.